for one receiver more than the other, it may sound either tinny in one or muffled in the other. So it's hard because there's no standard. But it's stolen technology. It's mine. It's mine. It's tricky. You gotta, and don't get too carried away. 300 while you're working that Arizona motor mouth Maul waving right there right now. I got down break.
Audio, check 1, 2. Audio check 1, 2, man. Audio check 1, 2. Audio 1, 2, check. That's too much stuff.
410, yeah, there's a lot of noise out there from time to time. All right, have a good day. It's really simple. I mean, the modulator board itself needs 3 potentiometers, one for a carrier, one for asymmetry, and one for final audio. It needs a voltage source. On some radios, it has to be higher than 13.8 volts. On things like a 955 or a 655, it doesn't. But like a 29, I use a 30-volt supply, and I think I got it running at about 28 right now. But anyway, a little supply, a little well-worked, or not a well-worked, but a, what do you call it, a switching supply. Transistor. Board feeds, and that Darlington transistor has 2 capacitors, so they're both 0.1, and then the emitter of that Darlington transistor goes over to your existing radio where you've isolated the collectors with the final waveline.
Gotta back that game down, man. Always think.
That's all there is to it. And the transistor is about $4.80 or so from DigitKey.com. It's an MJH6284G or 6284, either one. They both work really good. And then the rest of it is audio processing, and that can be a long key down. I ain't gonna waste the, you can use rack gear, you can use W2IHY, you can use UR62W, you can use my favorite, which is a PC, because you can get all the plugins, you can get all the configurations and save them. But anyway, yeah, that should make things simpler. On a Cobra 29, you cut one trace. On a Galaxy, you pull a card over and move it over. On a 955 or 655, you put a couple of wires in place for them. It's real easy, man. It's not rocket scientist stuff. It's not rocket science. And then you just go adjust your audio accordingly. That's the trickiest part right there. Oh, and it's nice to have a scope, because that's really the only way you can look at the envelope growth to make sure you got everything right. That you're not pinching off the carrier, and that you got the envelope growth and the positive peaks that you want. Anyway, there you go. Motor Mouth Maul, your West Coast beast. Dropping a hammer I got down.
All that radio traffic coming from the West Coast now.
410. All right. And you're welcome there, Overland, North Carolina. Have a good day out there in 4300 Arizona. Take care, 7 threes. What's the I tell you, man, it's too damn easy. Mouth Maul waving his step, and I got down. Breaker.
Hey, top of the morning, Motor Mouth Maul, 808 Colorado.
Hello, Kool-Aid Man. I hear you up in there. I do. Kool-Aid Man, Motor Mouth Maul waving.
I got rough and tough. Negative contact, Motor Mouth Maul, 808 in the Rockies.
Yeah, I'll be looking forward to hearing that. And you're up on here on YouTube as well, by the way. Got a gate rolling, live feed on YouTube. And when I'm done, once it renders, you'll be able to listen to it as well. And give a listen there. Hey, Kool-Aid Man, Motor Mouth Maul, your West Coast beast, dropping a hammer from time to time. I got down.
About a Motor Mouth Maul. About a Motor Mouth Maul, 808, Colorado, standing by.
And stayed out here, I guess, a little longer than I thought. I got a couple of watts reflected over here on this channel, so I'm going to roll on down to the moon.